Hello friends, welcome to our channel. How are you all? I hope you'll be fine. So friends, our new video has come. So friends, in this video we are going to discuss a new topic. Topic name is arithmetic progression. So friends, we will solve from easy problems. So friends, let's get started. So friends, the definition of arithmetic progression is: an arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers in which each term can be obtained by adding a certain quantity to its preceding term. So friends, this is the definition of arithmetic proportion. So let's move on to our first question. So friends, our first question is the sequence 12, 8, 4, 0 an AP? So we should check. So for checking, we should find the common difference of it. So for finding common difference, you should subtract CD. Common difference is equals to subtract T2 from T1. T2 means second term of this. This second term is 8 and T1 means first term. So subtract second term from first term, 8 minus 12. So we'll get minus 4. And one more time you should check minus 4 is the common difference. And if second time you should check from 0 and 4. So CD is equals to T3, T4 minus T3. T4 means 0, T3 means 4. So 0 minus 4 is equals to minus 4. So friends, both common difference is same. So friends, this means the given sequence is in AP. The given sequence is an AP. So friends, let's move to our second question. So friends, our second question is: find the AP whose nth term is 2n minus 3. So friends, in this we should find the nth term. So take the nth term be 2n minus 3. Next, we should find first term of this AP. So for finding first term, the nth term n becomes 1. If n is equals to 1, n is equals to first term, then our answer will be 2 into 1 minus 3. So you will get minus 1. So this is our first term. And for finding second term, we should take n as 2 and 2 into 2 minus 3. 2 to the 4 minus 3 becomes 1. So this is our second term. So we can find any number of terms by using this, and we can write required AP is equals to minus 1, 1. Let's take one more, n is equals to 3. So 2n minus 3, 2 into 3 minus 3. So this is our required AP. So let's move on to our third question. Before moving to third question, I will tell you a formula. So friends, the formula is Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 D. So friends, this is our formula. So in this formula, A is the first term and n belongs to the nth term of the series of the AP, and D is common difference. So friends, this is our formula. So let's move on to our question. So friends, our second question is 205 a term of the sequence 8, 12, 16, 20? So for finding, we should apply the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So we are provided with Tn as 205 and we are provided with first term of the series, that is a is 8 and n minus 1 we don't know, and d we are provided d. So for finding d we should find common difference. Common difference is 12 minus 8, 4. So 4 is our common difference. So 205 is equals to 8 plus multiply 4 n minus 4. So take 8 that side, 4n minus 4 is equals to 205 minus 8. Then take minus 4 in that side. Then 205 minus 8 plus 4. So you will get 4n is equals to 205 minus 4. So 4n is equals to 201. So n is equals to 201 by 4. So check. So see friends, it is not completely divisible. So 205 is not the term of the series. So 205 is not the term of series 8, 12, 16, 20. So friends, 205 is not the term of this series. So friends, let's move on to our third question. So friends, our third question is find the 12th term from the end in AP 13, 18, 23, comma, dash 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 158. So we should find the 12th term from the last of the series. So for finding this we should apply the formula Tn is equals to a plus n minus 1d. So first find the n. So 158 is equals to, we are provided with Tn 158 is equals to a, first term is 13 plus n minus 1 we are not provided, and common difference is d is equals to 18 minus 13. So common difference is 5. So multiply with 5. So 158 is equals to 13 plus 5n minus 5. So 13 minus 5 will get as 8 plus 5n. So subtract it, 158 minus 8 is equals to 5n. So we'll get 150 5n. So 150 by 5. So we'll get n as 30. So 30, there are 30 elements between 13 and 158. So there are 13 elements between 113 and 158. So we got n as 30. Now we should find 12th term from the last of the series. So 30 minus, you do 30 minus 12. So we'll get 30 minus 12. We'll get 13 minus 12 plus 1, we'll get 19th term. So friends, why I added 12 plus 1? Because you know friends, we are subtracting here n minus 1. So from last we should add one more digit. So you will get 19th term. So a plus, so formula of 19th term is a plus 18d. it can be written as a plus 18d. So first term can be written as a, second term can be written as a plus d. For this also there is a formula. You can apply this formula, same formula. You can apply this same formula here also. So 19th term we should find, so I will apply the formula. So a plus n minus 1 d. So we should find the 19th term, n is equals to 19. So a plus 9, n is equals to 19, we should find 19 term, 1d. So here we will get 18d. So 18d. We can write directly, we can subtract 19, we can subtract 1 from 19 and we can write 18d. So now a value is 8, 13 and 18, d value is 5. So 18 5s are 90. So if you add, you will get 103. So friends, this was our third question. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please like it, share it and comment on it, and also please subscribe our channel. Thank you friends. Goodbye.